Foodie Chef Pete here, and today we're making panini press sandwiches in our Breville Press and Grill, which is open over here, all heated up. And I'm going to start making my first sandwich today. I've got some beautiful sourdough wheat bread here, sourdough wheat bread, and I have made, this is avocado mayo I've made today with a little salt, a little pepper, a little bit of lemon juice, a little garlic, and what we're going to do is we are going to get some of this beautiful avocado mayo on our bread to start, because what we're going to do is this is avocado mayo. Yeah, Anthony, today we made avocado mayo. And then what we're going to do here is we are going to make roast beef, and I've taken our roast beef today and I have made it so that our roast beef has been cooked more, so it's not pink anymore. And then we're going to have our roast beef on this particular sandwich, just like this, just like this. I think that's enough for this one. We're going to use it in the other sandwich.
I think you're right.
All right, and then what I'm going to do is get a little bit more of this beautiful, beautiful avocado mayo right on here, just like this. Okay, and then we're going to come in with some beautifully sliced cored tomatoes. So let's get some tomato on here, just like that. A little salt, there we go. And some of this beautiful lettuce, romaine lettuce, right on there. Okay, and then I'm going to take and put our lid on. This is the lid, just like this, just like that. And it's not hot yet, so I can pick it up with my fingers, and then Anthony's going to back up and come around the other side.
What about the cheese?
Oh, you're right, Anthony. I forgot the cheese. Let's get the cheese on here. My fault. Okay, here we go. That's why we have Anthony filming, everybody, because sometimes Chef Pete forgets. Okay, here we go. And then right in the middle of our beautiful press, and then what I'm going to do is make sure that we say the panini button is pushed, and then we're going to close him up like this and push him down, and we're going to leave him in there because he's going to heat through. And while that one's heating through, I'm going to come back over here and we're going to get our next sandwich going. And this time, instead of wheat sourdough, I am using Italian bread this time, and I'm getting all of our mayo on this sandwich just like this. It's our avocado mayo, just like this, and we get it on there. Okay, and then I am going to do this as a double duty one. I'm going to go with some beautiful smoked turkey on here, just like this. Some smoked turkey, just like this. And then I had a little bit of this roast beef left, and what we're going to do is cut this roast beef up and get it in there so that we don't waste any of our beautiful meats right here. And
I didn't get any turkey.
Right here. We're having two sandwiches today, Anthony.
We can split it.
We're gonna each get a half, the two of us today.
That sounds wonderful.
Okay, let me just pull that off.
I always like to share.
And then what we're gonna do is just get a little bit more of this on here.
Oh yeah.
Just
Can
like
never
this.
have enough.
Just a little more.
I like a lot of juicy things.
And then we're gonna get some tomato on this one. Beautiful tomatoes. Absolutely gorgeous. A little salt. And some of this beautiful.
Don't forget your cheese.
And then we're gonna go with some cheese. And so that was smoked provolone. This one is Swiss, everybody. So we're gonna turn this over and get ready to put him on as soon as the other sandwich is ready to come off, okay? All right, so let's take a look at that sandwich. I'm gonna pick up the lid and we'll take a look at it and see where that one's going. I don't know, Anthony's trying to show you, but we need to look. Oh yeah, he's going good. He's going good. All right, we're gonna get a little more, then we're gonna pull that one out, and we are going to cut that.
Yeah, he's getting a little melted. He's getting a little melted.
Over
The
here.
cheese is dripping.
Oh yeah, it's
How
gonna be
cool
good.
is that?
Alright, and we have some of this left because Anthony likes the sauce.
Pesto. Delicious. Alright, well.
Okay, so there we have it, everybody. Let's take another look, and then we will show you how these cut in a little while.
Coming.
Okay, so this is the Breville Grill and Press. So go to healleadteach.com, 1L, and click on the pictures. You can see these for yourself and what they cost and all of the different bells and whistles that these appliances have that Chef Pete uses in the Carpizzo's kitchen. So there we have it. This is Peter Carpizzo's, and we'll see you again, as always, eating away and cooking and enjoying and eating and loving you all. This is Pete out.
Yeah, nice. Thank you.